So guys, it's been exactly 3 years since I've been using Crest Whitestrips, and I'm here to give you guys my review. Do they suck? Do they work? Here's my review. Now, when I first brought the Whitestrips, I brought it in December 18th, 2017. Now, I specifically buy the professional effect every single year for the last 2 years. I was just so curious because somebody was in my class. Shout out to Emily. Her teeth was so white that I had to ask, like, how did you get your teeth to be so white? And she told me about these Whitestrips, and I decided to just jump the gun and buy the Whitestrips because I looked at the price and I was like, man, I don't wanna spend that kind of money on Whitestrips and just to keep my teeth white. But little as I know, these suckers work. So shout out to Emily. Emily, you know who you are. But yeah, so shout out to Emily for telling me about the Whitestrips. And fast forward into today, 2019, I used them 2 years. And quick little disclaimer, I don't use them every single day just because of teeth sensitivity. When you use a Whitestrip, your teeth will become more sensitive. And when I mean sensitive, it's kind of like when you smile, it's like your teeth kind of like, it's just sensitive. It's hard to explain it. It's just sensitivity that you're gonna feel in your teeth, but they do work. That's one thing I gotta say. They do work. And along with that, I use this kind of toothpaste. I just tried out this toothpaste like about 3 weeks ago. This is the Crest charcoal, but normally I just use Crest for everything: mouthwash, toothpaste, the brush. This is the brush I use. I use the JZT. I throw a link in the description to this toothbrush. It's a motorized toothbrush with wireless charging, and it has different modes, so you can adjust the modes to your liking. As you guys can see, clean, sensitive, polish. I always use clean for the most part. I don't really use the other modes, but that's really my setup. And then most importantly, here's the secret recipe. I use this accessory right here. This is a teeth accelerator. This basically is just a light. It's just a blue light to accelerate the Whitestrips. So I put the Whitestrips on, which by the way, I'm not going to put them on right now because I literally just put them on last night and it's only evening time. I'm not ready to put them on just yet, but I put the Whitestrips on and then I put this right show. Now I normally leave the Whitestrips on for like about 30 minutes and maybe even sometimes an hour. Look at my teeth, guys. My teeth is like completely white. I'm proud, man. You don't want to go into an interview, or if you're working somewhere, you don't want bad teeth. You want clean, polished teeth, and you definitely want to take care of yourself. And the Whitestrips is definitely going to help you accomplish that. But when you first use the strip, like I mentioned, you're going to just feel that sensitiveness. So what I like to do is wait it out, maybe wait for another day. If your teeth is still feeling sensitive, stop using the strips altogether. But I highly recommend talking to your dentist first. I specifically buy the Professional Effect 3D White, and it has like an extra strip, like 2 strips of the 1 Hour Express. It's gonna remove years of stains within that hour. So these strips are powerful, man. They really powerful. And that leads me, speaking of stains, if you drink coffee or if you smoke or if you eat a lot of chocolate bars, stuff that would stain your teeth, I recommend you guys limit that use or just stop it altogether, because that will slow down your process of whitening your teeth. I don't smoke. Here and there I might eat some chocolate, and I don't really drink coffee every single day. This is why you guys should read instructions. It says wear for 30 minutes. Sometimes I leave it on for 40 minutes, sometimes in an hour. I'm bugging. I should. But this one here says wear for an hour. You guys see this one here? This is the 1 Hour Express. It says wear for an hour. So I kind of get them mixed up in a little bit, but the Professional Effect, wear for 30 minutes. The 1 Hour Express, you wear for an hour. But I normally just leave them on for like 40 minutes, an hour. So yeah. And with the accelerator, this thing definitely speeds up the process. And yeah, but overall, away from the sensitiveness, they don't slip off. They stay on your teeth. And you can wear them to the public if you like, but I just highly recommend you guys wear them the night before. I don't really like trying them on in the morning, but you can do so too. At night you're not eating anything, you're just going right to sleep. But morning time you might want to eat a little snack. So I just tend to just do this only at night. I did found this. My dentist did tell me about this toothpaste. It's sensitive toothpaste, so if your teeth is going to feel sensitive, you just brush your teeth with that, and you're not going to feel the sensitivity as much. But I want my teeth to be even white, man. So I use the charcoal Crest 3D toothpaste, and it works, but it's hard to tell because the Whitestrips has been working for years. And that leads me to using them for 2 years. It comes to a point of like your teeth will get used to it. Your teeth will get used to it to the point where you might not even need white strips. And now that I'm a Prime member, these things are frequently on sale because of the Prime Day sales. I picked them up in July of this year, and I picked them up last year of July. This is my 4th time buying white strips, and I don't really have any complaints whatsoever. And especially if I'm getting that good deal because of Prime Day, I'm just gonna keep on buying them, just to have in the tuck too, you know. So yeah, look at my teeth, guys. Still working on that bottom teeth, but look at the top teeth, nice and light. You know, these are the actual white strips. So you guys can see the side teeth, kind of like, yeah, because the white strips, the way how they work, it's just covering this front part here, and the down part is like a small strip. Crest does sell a kit where you could buy the strips and this at a nice little bundle. So I picked this up on eBay for like $10, and I picked up the strips. And also, I just gotta say thank you guys so much for all of your support on my previous review of the Crest White strip. This is my 3rd video talking about it. This is probably gonna be my last video about the Crest White strips, just because you guys get the idea already. Mouthwashing, I really don't mouthwash as much as I should, but if I do mouthwash, I use the Crest 3D mouthwash. I throw a picture on screen. I only use Crest 3D for all my teeth whitening stuff. I only stick to one brand. That is it, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys did, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know down in the comments down below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. You guys are going to see me smiling all over the place on Instagram, so you guys definitely want to check it out. Alright guys, until next time, I hope you guys have a simple day.